Wikipedia is super convenient, but using it as a reliable source of information is not the best thing to do. Even Wikipedia itself says this on the website. So if you can't use Wikipedia for research, what do? The first option is a database called Credo Reference. Credo Reference contains nothing but reference sources, like encyclopedias or dictionaries, so it's a perfect and easy replacement to things like Wikipedia. To use it, go to the SoLAcc Library website and navigate to the Credo Reference database like this. If you are trying to use it off campus from your home, you will first have to log in using your SoLAcc student ID, and your birthday will be the password. Once you're in the database, you can begin your search. I'm going to use a very broad search term as an example to show you Credo's diversity. One of my favorite things about Credo is that it makes it very clear what source the information is coming from. I'm going to click on one of these sources to let you see what it looks like. So now you can quote from this source, you can paraphrase from it, or you can just simply use an idea from it. But if you decide to use the information in any way, you'll need to create a citation for it. And this is where you can take advantage of Credo's citation tool. Just click on the tool and then copy and paste the citation into the place where you need it. But remember to make sure that you format it and space it out correctly before you turn it into your instructor. After I get the citation, I'll also send this article to myself, so I'll have it in my email account as a backup in case I need it later on. And that takes care of option 1 for replacing Wikipedia. Now I'll go back to the SoLAcc Library website to access the second option, which is called OneSearch. I'll use my same example that I used when I was searching with Credo. And once again, if you are off campus, you'll have to log in first before you can get any results from the database. Now, as you can see, I get a ton of results with this search, but what I want to focus on is here at the top. It's this research starter. And when you click on the research starter, you get something that is very similar to a Wikipedia page, but comes from a much more reliable source. In this case, it's coming from a published encyclopedia. Once again, you can quote, paraphrase, or use ideas from this research starter. But don't forget, if you decide to use this information, there are tools located over here that will help you get a citation, and you can email it to yourself to back it up. And those are just a couple of ways we can easily replace Wikipedia when doing research.